Andrew Tate just released his brand new course, The Real World 2.0, but here's the problem, is that every other review you're gonna see on YouTube is somebody with that exact affiliate link in their bio. So in translation, they're not actually reviewing the course, they're just trying to get you to buy it so that they get a kickback. They get money from telling you that the course is amazing. Why? Because Andrew Tate's course is in fact a scam. Or is it? So I recently purchased Andrew Tate's new course, The Real World 2.0. Unfortunately, I didn't get in time for it to be $50 a month. I actually got in after the price raise. So I'm in at $99 per month. So in this video, I'm gonna give you my actual honest review, tell you if it's a scam and if it's even worth your money in the first place. And just for context, I'm no stranger to entrepreneurship. So I've already been able to make over $100,000 per month on my own. I've grown my personal brand to over 10 million viewers, and I've also been able to do things like travel the world, go to awesome business events, and do all the cool business stuff. But the crazy part is I'm also Andrew Tate's top student already. I started in his old course, Hustlers University 2.0, and he even posted me on his Twitter a clip of my video saying that I was actually in his course. Now, the thing is, as soon as I hop into his new course, the very first thing I see is everything looks the exact same as the original, The Real World, and everything looks the exact same as the original Hustlers University 2.0. It's basically just a Discord clone. So let's take a quick look at what they actually teach inside of The Real World, because they have multiple wealth creation models. They have the Hustlers Campus, e-commerce, AI automation, crypto investing, crypto trading, crypto DeFi. They have business mastery, copywriting, and content creation. They also have social media, and they have health and fitness. Now, the second thing I actually realized is that still nowhere in the course are you actually taught by Andrew Tate himself. Instead, you basically get this guy named Dylan Madden, who's like Andrew Tate from Temu. He tries to talk like Andrew Tate. He's clearly not Andrew Tate. No hate against the guy, but I mean, most people join Andrew Tate's course so that they can learn from Tate himself, and you don't really get that in there. Now, if you're anything like me, you're wondering what the hell some of these programs even are. Like, what is Hustlers Campus, for example? So I went and I joined it, and I found something kind of interesting, kind of funny. So let me read you some of the wins from the Hustlers section. So this guy said he posted a win, $40 allocated to feed Tom while his parents were away for the night. So in short, homeboy wanted to escape the matrix, so he joined The Real World 2.0. He made $40 for watching a cat, and Andrew Tate helped him learn how to babysit a cat for $40. And that's what you're learning in The Real World 2.0, and that's exactly how you're gonna get Bugatti, apparently. I don't really know how this works. Two more wins that I thought were interesting. One, I sold my old watch, profit, $97. And someone else said I sold a sweater. The cost was free because I got it from Facebook Marketplace, and he profited $3.03. And that brings me to my first big critique of The Real World 2.0 is like, what are these wealth creation methods? What are some of these? So first of all, you have Hustlers Campus, which is like what we just saw, somebody getting a free sweater off Facebook Marketplace and then selling it for $3.03 in profit, or going to watch somebody's cat for the weekend. And then you have e-commerce, which they even say in the course itself, because I checked it out, you need to start with at least $1,000, and you don't even know if it's gonna work or not. So you could very well just burn your only $1,000 if you even have that. On top of that, you have AI automation. That's fine, AI is cool and all, but the thing with AI automation, if you're gonna build like an AI agency, that takes tons of money and also upfront knowledge to do, so not really beginner friendly. Then you have crypto investing, crypto trading, and crypto DeFi, all of which you need money to start. You can't invest or trade crypto if you don't have money in the first place, and also you are risking your money again, so costly and risky. Then on top of that, you have business mastery, super general. What does that even mean? On top of that, you have copywriting, which makes sense, but we'll get back to that here in a second. We have content creation, social media, and then health and fitness. Health and fitness isn't really wealth. I mean, obviously it's a good thing to have in there. Content creation, and then social media. So the thing with content is that if you're gonna build your own personal brand, it's going to take you months and months, if not even years, to actually get up off the ground. Your first dozen or 100 videos are going to have maybe a few tens or a few hundreds of views. It's really not going to pop off unless you're consistent over a long period of time. So it's really not a way to make money anytime soon. Now, then you have the Copywriting Campus, and throughout the whole history of this course, the Copywriting Campus has always been the most popular. And the reason as to why is because you can actually start it with no money, and you can get paid within the next few days or even weeks of starting, because you can just start get a client, and then learn as you earn money. Now, a couple years ago, I actually started in Hustlers University 2.0. I started with copywriting, and don't get me wrong, it wasn't just like an easy money glitch, but by far it was the best way, much better than all of the other campuses as well that I tried out. Now, the thing with copywriting is that it works really, really well, especially right now with AI, because you can actually use AI to fill in the gaps in your knowledge when it comes to marketing or even just writing copy in general. And I've even helped 3 different people make 10K per month in the last month with copywriting. And as soon as I mentioned that, I already know the comments are gonna be bombarded with like, yo, nobody's buying your course, little bro. Dude, my courses are free right here on YouTube. So first of all, you missed me with that. Now, going through the Copywriting Campus, since that's the one I'm going to be most familiar with, there were still a few things that stuck out to me. So in the Copywriting Campus itself, they only actually show you 2 different methods of getting clients, and that is through cold calling and warm outreach, which is just outreaching to your network. Now, these are very simple methods, but the thing with cold calling is that, first of all, who's gonna be on the phone making 50 to 100 dials to try to get clients as a copywriter? First of all, you don't need to do that. And second of all, it's really not that effective. I've never heard of anyone actually making money from actually picking up the phone and cold calling people. Maybe on something like SMMA, but with copywriting, it's a little bit different. You wanna work for online businesses, and working for local businesses is good if you're trying to get testimonials, but if you're trying to actually get money, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month clients, it's really not the best way. Now, if you do go into the social media campus, you will find some more outreach stuff that has to do with social media and actually outreaching on things like Instagram and email, for example. But there's a few things that I actually noticed in there as well. So for example, lovely Mr. Andrew Tate from Temu shows you how to do this outreach method where you take a video of yourself and then you send it to whoever you want to be your client. And the thing that was so funny is that not only this method, but also the exact script he was using is eerily similar to something that I've already done. Now, I own the most viewed copywriting video on all of YouTube, so it would make sense that they would actually go in there, look at the outreach methods that I'm using that people are actually winning with, and just teach them inside of the real world. For example, I'll just leave a screenshot up on screen really quickly of my script versus their script. My script was actually from the free course, and their script was from the Real World 2.0. You can see they're pretty similar. Now, with that being said, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh man, like they stole my outreach method or whatever, because I understand nobody owns an outreach method, nobody owns a way to do something, and it's fine. It's cool that they took inspiration from it. I'm honestly flattered, but the thing that is really interesting that just begs the question is, why are you paying $99 a month for, again, something you literally could get for free because they're showing you to do things that I'm already showing you how to do? And now, of course, I can make an assumption that they're probably doing the same with all of the campuses. They're just going on YouTube, finding all of the free stuff that people are already using to make money, and then putting it into the course itself. And now look, before all the Tate meat riders start crying in the comments, there's 2 things that you should know before we move forward. And the first thing is, don't just listen to me, don't just listen to my reviews, go down in the comments and hear what other people have to say. I'm sure there's gonna be other people who like it, other people who don't like it. So if you're thinking about it or you just wanna learn more about it in general, go down there, talk with those people, and they will tell you whether it's a good course, bad course, you should get it, etc. And the second thing is, I'm actually going to go into why the reasons that I like Andrew Tate's course, because this video is not just one-sided. I'm gonna show you the bad, the good, the ugly, and everything in between. So the first good thing about the Real World 2.0 is that it is really good for complete beginners. Like if you just don't know where to start at all, you're like just a little bit curious about making money online, but you're not really serious yet, you don't know where you wanna go, then it's good for those people because it shows you different things that you can get into, why they work, how they work, and then also just how to learn them. You can really think of it like kindergarten for entrepreneurship, which it's already been mentioned and called that many times before. The second thing is that the community actually helps each other. The community is really good. And the reason being is because it's all like-minded people. It's all people who just want to be like Tate, who talk like Tate, call each other G, etc., etc. Now that can be seen as a super good thing or a bad thing. So it's good because you have other people there to motivate you and give you advice. But on the other hand, it's also somewhat of like a Tate fan club. Everybody just talks about Andrew Tate, how cool he is. So it gets weird after a while. But like I said, really good for beginners or if you're a diehard Tate fan as well. Again, with that being said, those are the good parts about what I just told you. The other thing is still that, why are you paying $99 a month? I mean, $50 a month, maybe I can see that, the case for that a little bit more, but now since the price has gone up, it's now double what it used to be, and I really don't see any improvements from the Real World. It's really just the Real World 2.0, but it just costs twice as much. Maybe that's why they call it 2.0, I don't really know. So, is it a scam? Well, the thing is that this is a very opinion-based question. $99 means a lot to some people, but not a lot to other people. So as for the answer to that question, I'll let you guys hash it out in the comments. But here's what I do know. The fact of the matter is, that most people just scam themselves. For example, they go into courses like this, they don't actually take any action, they don't do anything, they just watch the courses, they chat crap in the community, and they just waste time altogether. And then they sit there and wonder why they didn't get results, and then they call it a scam. But here's the fact, is that you can join the real world and make money with it, or you can not join the real world and still make money. All that matters is that you work hard consistently for a long period of time. Because here's the thing, your future isn't in Andrew Tate's hands, or Tristan Tate, or me, or Andrew Tate from Temu. The only person who's standing between you and millionaire status, wherever you want to get to, is the person that's looking you right in the mirror. So my final piece of advice is join the real world or not. But winners are going to find a way to win, and losers are always going to find an excuse. Everything you need is already at your fingertips. So if you want to save $99 per month, I have the full blueprint for free, my free 8-hour copywriting course that's right here on this channel. I'll put it on the screen now. But other than that, that's it for today. Of course, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.